10 amazing and ingenious machines you need to see. Machines have made contemporary living both easier and more challenging. Many of these new technologies are engineering wonders that pique people's interest. Although only a few feet tall and weighing a quintal barely, we humans can make and build objects 1,000,000 times larger and heavier than ourselves, and we have proven it. Kudos to the engineers that designed these. To know more about these amazing and ingenious machines, keep watching. Number 10, Scania AXL Autonomous Truck. Transport assignments are being streamlined and made more sustainable in today's industry. Considering self-driving automobiles is thus not a terrible idea. For this reason, Scania is developing a driverless prototype truck powered by cables. This, however, is not an electric truck. An internal combustion engine powers it. However, Scania is developing renewable biofuel-powered variations. Number 9, Roxgon Pty Ltd. REEFINATOR H4. Moving forward, we have REEFINATOR H4. This equipment is ideal for breaking up gravel-filled soil and increasing field efficiency. It aids in exposing nutrient-rich soil to crops, increasing yield and plantable surface area. The REEFINATOR H4 is a creation of Roxgon Pty Limited. The easy operation of this tool makes it straightforward to utilize with a tractor attachment. Its tough construction assures long-term use. In general, it excels at completing tasks regardless of how things occur. Number 8, Magnum 140 Trailing Bedding Plow Savannah Global Solutions. The Magnum 140 Trailing Bedding Plow is a tough 4-disc device capable of producing a large, well-formed bed, ideal for soils that aren't well-drained during heavy rains. The innovative Stump Leap TM disc relief systems improve water retention and herbal regulation. It's superior plowing with simple maintenance. The discs reset in minutes, as well as the bearing may be replaced in minutes. Almost no offset disc here on the marketplace can compete with it. Number 7, Ranchworks Tandem Aerator. The Farm Operations Tandem Drum Aerator is constructed entirely from scratch for agricultural aeration as well as land development. Ranch Tech blades, a strong strength steel construction, and a triangulated tongue are used. Its uses include full subsoil fracture toughness to brush removal and land maintenance. Because of its unique drum offset, the Tandem may go from a no-till to a tillage device as needed. You may run the aerator at greater ground speeds, achieving more acres per hour and increasing efficiency. Number 6, Mann Group Limited OY 200R Material Handler. The new crane in 200R is the Manson. It is more adaptable than traditional port cranes. Aside from bulk materials, this monster can handle entire containers up to 5 broad and 4 tall. Manson in 200 may produce well over 45 TEUs per hour. A variety of accessories are also available to accommodate ordinary cargo, including certain steel coils and traditional bulk commodities. The operator will select one of the 3 preset locations for the best view from the cabin. In a nutshell, this super crane is incredible. Number 5, Rotary Brush Stick Rake, Savannah Global Solutions. Such rakes have already raised stump and root remnants into enormous windrows and are robust enough just to rake in fallen trees. The rolling action removes dirt from wood waste, making them suitable for clean burning or biofuel production. It is feasible to produce 4 to 6 acres every hour. It may be highly cost-effective for large projects to use these strong spinning rakes rather than the standard dozer-mounted front push rake. Number 4, Heavy-Duty Chopper Roller, a Bruin Chopper Roller. The roller chopper is intended to glide and chop bushes and trees with diameters up to 3 inches. It will additionally demolish some weak roots. These are large, yet they can be readily lifted with a primary mover, commonly a skidder. Extra weight water may be loaded into the drum. To eliminate tracking, multi-drum variants include 2 extra blades on the back drum. These designs are indicated for light to moderate growth trimming and dyeing. Never before has site preparation been so simple. Number 3, Hydraulic Forestry Winch, Uniforest DOO. The 120G Power Forestry Winch with a pulling capacity of 12 tons is by far the most comprehensive and durable in its class. The winch is situated closer to the truck, and the rope is set lower, which raises and reduces the winch's center of gravity. There is little danger in raising the tractor. It features an extra-large drum capacity, allowing it to wind up more wire ropes. There are large storage areas on the front side of the winch for ease of operation, so that soil from the tractor's wheels cannot get between both the chain and other equipment. A hydraulic hinge to the rear plate allows for lock adjustment and piling. Number 2. SEIP Mulcher Maxi Soil 350. Along with the Textiles Arian 5000, the Maxi's Oil 350 ranks among the world's largest tillers and stone crushers. It's appropriate for tractors with power classes ranging from 300 to 500 horsepower. The innovative rotor is designed with an optimal blend of contemporary Super AXTM tools and extra tungsten carbide inlays in high wear zones. Number 1. Brack Forest Scarifier's Disc Trencher. The Rake T28 is a tough and flexible disc trencher with the ability to tilt the discs to drive the humus in the same direction, whether to left or to right, or nearer or farther apart. It can survive the most difficult terrain, including many pebbles and splashes. Treatment with the Rake T28 provides a variety of planting locations for plants and seeds independent of soil type. It's used in medium and large prime movers. So, what do you think of these ever-evolving, innovative types of machinery? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so we can upload more videos like these. Thanks for watching.